If you want to download this photo, you can find the link in the description. Go to Window and select Libraries. Click on the plus icon and select Extract from Image. Select Color Themes. Select a color mood. For example, you can use a bright mood to select the light colors or a dark mood for the darker colors. You can also adjust it by moving the color picker. When you're done, select Save to CC Libraries. Then close this window. You can now use the color theme. Select a color from the color theme to make it the foreground color. And that's how you take swatches from a photo to create a color theme.